In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom AI agency portfolio website using Framer. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening Framer and creating a new project. When the canvas appears, click the Start with AI button to launch the AI site generator. This tool speeds up the layout process by turning a clear prompt into a usable design. Describe your agency in the prompt. For example, AI Automation Agency for Tech Startups, and include your target audience and the features you want, like a services section, case studies, or contact form. Make your prompt modular by using variables for interchangeable parts, such as agency type or target audience, so you can quickly reuse and tweak the prompt for different clients or iterations. Once the generator produces a site, take time to evaluate the result. Use the regenerate option if the initial layout needs adjustment, and fine-tune individual elements directly on the canvas. Iteration is key. Small changes to wording or specified features often produce much better layouts on subsequent generations. Keep refining until the structure and tone match your brand. After you're happy with the skeleton, customize the design and content. Edit text, tweak colors, change fonts, and swap images within the generated layout to align with your visual identity. For visuals, consider using AI-generated imagery or badges to create unique project visuals. If you already use a tool like Midjourney, you can incorporate those assets for a consistent, high-quality look. Organize your work by creating a CMS collection for projects, often called a work collection. This makes it simple to manage details, descriptions, and images for each case study. Populate entries with concise summaries and measurable outcomes so visitors quickly understand impact. Use AI to draft hero copy, service descriptions, and FAQs. Then refine the language to match your voice and remove any generic phrasing. Make sure the site performs well across devices by adding mobile and tablet breakpoints. Adjust layouts and typography so everything reads clearly on smaller screens. Add smooth animations and thoughtful interactions to make browsing feel immersive but not distracting. Subtle transitions and hover effects work best. Before publishing, configure built-in SEO settings, set clear page titles, concise meta descriptions, and optimized image alt text. Finally, publish with a single click to a Framer domain or connect your own custom domain for a professional finish. With these steps, your AI agency portfolio will be polished, responsive, and ready to showcase your best work.